This is Lincoln petting his dog.
Dog's sad, we have to leave.
All right, we are going to Japan right now. You guys will probably see the video on the main channel of us becoming a Ninjago ninja.
A real-life ninja.
Not just a ninja warrior thing where the people jump around and stuff, but we're filming that video on the main channel. It's gonna be a quicker trip. We're gonna show you the travel out there. Right now it's like 5 in the morning and we have to drive 2 hours to Las Vegas, fly up to Seattle, 2-hour layover, and then a huge flight over to Tokyo and then get to our hotel. So this is gonna be a travel video and you're gonna have Lincoln coughing a lot. Thanks for the coughs, Lincoln.
I'm not coughing, I'm sneezing.
Oh, thanks for the sneezing. Thanks for the
you're welcome.
clarification too on that.
You're welcome.
All right, let's hit the road. We made it, buddy.
Yeah.
Did a good nap. Get ready. You're gonna sleep a lot more on the plane. All right, we made it to Las Vegas. Step 1 is done. It is now 6:01 a.m. Las Vegas time, so there goes the shuttle. Goodbye, shuttle. Time to get our luggage and time to get out of here, get on the plane. Our plane leaves at 7:30 a.m. So we got about an hour to get through security and everything. TSA should be back to work now that the federal shutdown is done. So lights out, let's go. Oh, it's cold in Vegas. Right now we have 67 miles range left. What day is it today? Thursday. And we'll be back here on Sunday and it's cold out here. It's cold. Hopefully 67 miles range is enough to keep the battery pack warm while we're gone. Yikes, we'll see. We don't need a dead Tesla when we get back. The new YouTube luggage review. What do you think?
It's great. It stores stuff and it rolls good. Do you have this thing?
Ooh, put a battery inside of it. All the times that we travel, Lincoln's never been asked to actually go in the cockpit, and they just barely came up and said, "Hey, would you like to go in the cockpit?" So they pulled him out of his seat before we took off. And he just went up there and just sat up there. That was really nice of Delta. He's Lincoln's Diamond on Delta, which is like 125,000 miles or something. Really nice of them.
Hi.
How's it going?
Cargo smoke. Good.
I wasn't sorry where you were sitting. I'm just sorry that couldn't let you sit up here.
Yeah,
But
that
you
would be
wanna-
cool.
You want a picture and stuff?
Oh yeah, for sure.
We are in Las Vegas, about to fly to Seattle. I'm in first class, seat 1A. Got a free upgrade. Lincoln's back in economy comfort. I figured I drove while he slept here for 2 hours, so I'll take the first class. Why is this set up this way?
It looks good. Don't you think it looks good?
Lincoln just did that and told me not to touch it. So we're getting food. I'm getting the all-American burger because I'm going to Japan. So your last meal should be like an all-American something. Lincoln's getting what?
Fresh berries.
Fresh berry pancakes.
Pancakes.
Okay, I need to do a suitcase review. This is a suitcase that YouTube sent. It says what's inside on it. What's the brand? Away. Away is the brand. This one is one that Leslie got me for an early Valentine's, am I in the shot? Early Valentine's Day present. Thank you, Leslie, it was really nice. Her friend tried to talk her into her buying a suitcase that was like $300 more, and she's like, no, this is like 85 bucks at TJ Maxx. It's Samsonite. It's good quality. Leslie, thank you for your gift. I'm gonna keep it and cherish it until the wheels fall off. But it's incredible how much smoother this one is versus this one. For example, the wheels, you turn it, this one has a bit of lag in it. It takes a second to get going. Push that one. Okay, now watch this.
And he wins the race!
This is the clear winner. YouTube, thank you for sending the really nice thing. I'm gonna steal this from Lincoln.
No, you're not. That's mine.
Don't tell him
No,
that
you.
I'm gonna do
I'm
that.
right behind you. I can carry you.
Leslie, thank you for the gift. I will never get rid of it because you gave it to me.
It's time for food.
Hey, it's time for
Thank you.
fresh pancakes,
Yum.
bacon and berries. Yummy, yummy, yummy. But seriously, what time is it? How much time do we have till our flight?
Time for you to watch.
Time for you to go watch.
Oh, what the heck? I thought you were gonna catch it.
Did you see my bag? It just got clothesline.
I just wasted yours. Welcome to Tokyo, Lincoln. Where's all your fans here to greet you? I pretty much just said that because back when we did the gold play button video, it was Lincoln's first time to Japan, and we said that same thing, and we had the shot, it's in the little montage, so I thought it'd be fun to recreate that now that Lincoln's a giant young man. Nobody's here to greet us. What? Where's all the fans? Look at that. There's actually a Tesla in Japan. This is the Uber we would hope we could get, but we don't get it. That's cool. Have we ever seen one before? Maybe once or twice.
I saw one Model S, and I was driving like to Disneyland.
Yeah, once. Now, right, when we get out of the airport. So this is the airport. This is the Narita airport. There are two airports in Japan, Haneda and Narita. Narita's a bit out of town. Haneda's like right there in the city, but Delta flies out to this airport and it's not that bad. We are going to take an Uber. It's expensive. It is not advised. You can take trains, you can take buses. We're gonna take an Uber, which will probably cost us around $230. That's a lot. But we'll get to our hotel fast. We wanna find some like Domino's pizza. That's what we usually have, right?
Domino's and McDonald's.
Domino's is so good. Big city. We made it. That's a long travel day. If you haven't ever done it before, it gets you. It kicks your butt. Lincoln slept.
How long were we on it? Like 13 hours on planes today?
It's long. Like, I'm ready to go to bed. It's like 1 in the morning back home, 2 in the morning. We're either going to go to bed right now or go get some food.
I'm gonna get in bed.
Okay, then I'm going to bed. Good night. Get ready for tomorrow. We're gonna do some fun Japanese things. We only have a day and a half here, so tomorrow's gonna be pretty fun. Thanks for watching our travel day. See ya. Don't show this video to Leslie. Do not let her watch it. One.